Welcome to the Product Design Show. I'm Vince Penman. The concept of design thinking has gained a lot of traction in the product design community. But what is it?
In today's episode, we'll focus on two of the four key components of design thinking: empathy and collaboration. I'm Allison Tupperwine. Design thinking is a process that designers can use to match people's needs to what is feasible, both technically and from a business perspective.
Four components that make up the design thinking philosophy are: 1. Integrative thinking, where designers harmonize seemingly conflicting ideas into a useful whole.
2. Experimentalism, where addressing larger questions about a product's usefulness can lead to profound design innovations. 3. Collaboration, where designers seek out a variety of interdisciplinary opinions to solve complex problems.
And 4. Empathy, a designer's ability to imagine a product's use from the perspective of the customer.
To employ empathy in the product development cycle, designers need to understand more than how a product will function. They need to understand how a person will interact with their environment through that product.
Design, empathy, and collaboration work hand in hand. And the first step in integrating these ideas into a product is to begin with the right questions.
Designers have to ask themselves, how should our product function? How shouldn't it function? Who will use it and why will they use it?
A framework of targeted questions can help the designer create a product that puts the customer's needs at the forefront of the product development.
But to drive a design towards a customer-focused orientation, product designers need to collaborate with their target audience, seeking their advice about the benefits and flaws of a design.
To collaborate effectively, designers need to be willing to allow their audience to have hands-on experience with the product, but effectively managing the opinions of a focus group is also key.
By following a structured observation protocol, designers can often find meaningful insights into the benefits and flaws of the current design and build customer feedback directly into the product.
Designers can quickly put this information into use by imagining solutions based on their observations and updating their CAD models and designs accordingly.
In a previous episode, we spoke with designers at Baby Zen about how they built their Zen and yoga strollers with active parents in mind. Here's how they use design empathy and collaboration in their product design process.
First of all, it should come as no surprise that the designers at Baby Zen are parents themselves. Being a member of the community you are designing for is a valuable tool for gaining deep insight into a product's most critical problems.
Baby Zen's design team included designers from different disciplines who collaborated to solve the issues that typical stroller users faced. They asked, aside from moving a kid from point A to point B, what does a stroller need to do?
Their answers, after structured observation, were that strollers needed to be more maneuverable in small spaces. They needed to be adjustable for both the parent and the child, and they needed to be safer when used at night.
These answers acted as a design roadmap and led to developing strollers with collapsible frames, adjustable handlebars, and LED lighting systems.
Through the use of design thinking, Baby Zen was able to capture the needs of their customers and develop the best strollers on the market.
In our next episode, we'll focus on integrative thinking and experimentalism, where designers harmonize seemingly conflicting ideas to create better products. Thanks to PTC for sponsoring this episode.
You can see their tools that support product concept design at ptc.com/go/creoparametric. Thanks for watching this episode of the Product Design Show. Please give it a like on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, or give us a rating on iTunes.